Hello everyone, welcome to this 26th video in Excel. In this video, we are going to discuss one of the most exciting functions added to Excel recently, and that is group by. So using group by, we can get the results similar to what we get using pivots very easily. So let's explore this function. So as you can see on my screen, we have a data set where we have date, year, some product types, and then we have revenue. And another column I've added after 2017 where it is true in case the year is greater than equal to 2017. And we have 31 rows in this data. So excluding the first row, actually the header, we have 30 rows. So if you want to get the revenue by product, okay, so we can easily do it using pivot, but we can do it using group by as well, and the result would be like this. So let's explore this function group by. So you can see on my screen that group by function uses row field as the first argument. So row on which actually you want to get the summarized result. Then the values are the array on which we want to summarize, and the function is that summarize function. So we have our product type in column C, values in column D, and we want to get the sum. So this is how the first three arguments are. The next two I have just kept it blank for now, and then sort order. So when I am writing two, it's like ascending order of the second column, which would be the sum of the revenue. Okay, so let's look at the result here. So this is how it is. We have the data, the sum of revenue by product type, and the result is in ascending order of the sum of revenue. So if I want to change it to descending order, I just have to make it -2. Okay, so when I do this -2, actually, you see the result is now like this, where we have the topmost value, which is the highest revenue for this product is. So it is in descending order now. If you want to get the name of the columns as well, we can use this field header. If we put 3 here, we'll get the name of the columns as well. So first one is product, second one is revenue. So you see, this result, which we generally get using pivots, can be easily achieved using group by function, and it is quite similar to the way we do it in maybe Python, R, or Excel, anywhere where we use this group by. Now we can also summarize our data using multiple columns as well. So here I have just highlighted it. So here, if you see this formula, actually, rather than selecting one column in the first argument, actually I'm selecting both the column. So year and product combination, for each year and product combination, I'm getting the result, and it is sorted by ascending order of the first column. So the result is like this. So 2007 we have first, then we have 2008, 9, 10, like that, and we have these revenues. Now here also, if you want to get the header, we will put 3 here, and then we have year, product, and revenue. These results are available here. Okay, so this way, we can summarize our data on multiple columns as well using group by. But yeah, those columns should be together, adjacent actually, one after the other. Then we can do it easily. Now we can also filter our data while summarizing. So whatever filter we want to apply, for example, here we want to get the result by product, the sum of revenue by product, but we want to do it just after, on or after 2017. So for that, I have added this column E, where it is false for the rows which we don't want to summarize, and true for rows which we want to actually summarize. So here the formula changes a bit, and at the end you can see, after this sort order, I've also added filter array. See, an array of booleans where true represents a row to retain. Okay, so here only the rows after 2017 are retained in the result, and you see the sum is 3611808, and here also it is the same. Now here also I can actually add the column header, so I'll just put 3 here, and I'll get the product and the revenue here. So I hope you also found this function very exciting, and it's very useful to actually get some quick result out of your data. And do use this function, share your use cases in the chat as well. And there are a few other arguments as well which you can explore further. If you want to get subtotal, that also you can do it here, using the this total depth argument. I'm not explored, I'm not discussed this here, but yeah, you can explore it and you can share your point of view in the comments. So I hope you found this video useful. Do subscribe my channel, like the video, and share it amongst your friends who are actually exploring analytics and who want to learn more of Excel with relevant examples. So see you in the next video. Thank you.